Hey, welcome to Papa's Custom Cars. I figured I'd better write a channel introduction so everybody knows what this channel is about. I have a few project cars that I take care of, and also I do a lot of reviews for some of the products that I buy, some of the products that are given to me for free, but not enough naturally, as anybody can tell you. But we've got multiple projects that I take care of, or that I'm taking care of and moving through. One of the things you got to know about this channel is I get more views on reviews that I do on different things. So you're going to generally see a lot more of those than you are car activity. One of the things that slows us down on the car activity is parts, number one, because we are a budget-minded person and have a family to take care of and a job. I can't spend all my money on parts. I wish I could. But one car that I'm doing the most work on, and I'll get and walk you around and show you what I got, is my 1974 Nova. This particular one, we've done the complete front end and everything on it, along with an engine hiding under the covers. We've got our 83 Mustang that my parents bought when it was brand new, and I've owned it since they have. And then we've got a 78 Pinto, I'm sorry. That's my wife's car. We've put new seats in it because the seats were all worn out. This was an Arizona rust-free car. There's only a little bit of rust on it. So we do all of our work in our own home shop here, and that includes doing our lights, our fans, and everything else. So you're going to see a lot of do-it-yourself projects. We did the electrical in here so that we could support air compressor 220 and electric cars. One of the other projects that I have is this 1993 Silverado 1500. It's a couple owner car. Got some damage up here, but we've got all new parts in the back there, as you can see, to take care of all this stuff. We've also got the 67 Fairlane. This has been given to my granddaughter once she gets old enough and done with college and settles down in life. So this one's right now we're power washing all of the peel paint off it. We had it looking like a police car for a while, so that was kind of cool. One of the other cars that we have that we do a lot on is the Chevy Bolt, mainly because electric cars are kind of a thing you need to know. We've got Chrysler products, we've got Toyota products, we've got Ford products, so a lot of the channel has to do with all kinds of cars. I'm a car guy. I am not I'm not so much brand loyal as I have multiple cars, but you're going to see me do things like install ceiling fans. We're going to be remodeling the kitchens, or the bathroom soon, putting in a tankless water heater. Just a general bunch of home repairs. You'll see a ramp that I bought or built for my dog because he's getting old and doesn't like stairs. We have a we have a deck that's probably so old that it's scary. That's going to have to be replaced. But the channel's not devoted just to cars. It's devoted to everything that I do on a weekly basis. Right now, as you may see, I have a regular job and grandkids and all that kind of fun stuff, so I'm not a full-time YouTuber as of yet, but I do try to get content out Friday of every week for you, be it whatever it might be. But like I said, I do reviews, I do everything. As you can see by the giant pile of boxes over there, I do a lot of reviews. So that's kind of a little bit about the channel. If you have any input on something you'd like to see that you're doing around the house or doing on your car or anything of that nature, if you don't see it in my videos, definitely let me know, because it's probably something I have to do or I'm going to do. So make sure you do me a big favor. Make sure you subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything to do, and it definitely helps the channel out, because the more subscribers I get, of course, the more I make here or there. I am not getting rich off YouTube as of yet. The channel's only a little over 2 years old, so it is kind of what it is. But do me a favor, like, share, subscribe, make comments, anything of that nature. All that stuff helps my channel, and I appreciate every subscriber that I have. I talk to everyone who puts in a comment, so the only thing I ask is make your comments nice. Anything negative, I do remove it. I just don't have time for that, nor does the rest of the channel, or I should say the rest of the subscribers on the channel. So with that, everybody have a great one, and I'll see you in my next video.